sir, people. Bringing it in hot, bringing it in quick, guys. I know you missed your favorite bringer of knowledge and bringer of truth, guys. Listen, tap in. You know you're here with your host, Money Montgomery, guys. The name of this episode, My Thoughts Beyond. That's it. You should be picking up on the phrase if anybody's doing any type of looking or any type of research. Again, if you're following this channel, the DD is being brought to you. You're just goofing around. If you haven't secured your bag, if you haven't gotten those last little coins in, understand, we're expecting settlement to come through. We had a little update. We're going to get down to this little information right here. But again, we're expecting in 7 days something crazy to go down. But let's pop off with it, guys. Bitcoin sitting up there, big bouncing at 67,406. A full recovery. Remember now, that breakout of 72,000. Excuse me, that breakout of 74,000. How funny is it? We were just in the dumps, and now here we are, each inching back up. It's funny how all this stuff always correlates. The cycles repeat, right? And again, that's how we scale. Bitcoin going up to 150,000 in this bull cycle. 200,000. Sounds crazy. We'll see how crazy it is, won't we? But again, XRP sitting up there beautifully, sitting right below that 60-cent range again now from highs of 63. I'm not worried about that, guys. Again, all this falls and caters to the line. This is why I say when people are looking at charts and all this, guys, there's the news that's occurring, what's actually going on, and that's what you need to correlate and understand how your money's rolling. Now, there's people that were sitting down at 40, what was it? 43 cents, 42 cents. Now I bet you're looking like, I should have thrown 100. Exactly. But again, here's the cadence of an investor. If you know what you hold, if you saw it at 42 cents, if you buying it at 50, you seem goofy, right? Oh, I definitely scooped me up a little something right there, right? And of course, here we are sitting back up again, all that money up by 15, 20%. 15, 20% straight like that. But let's tap down our information, guys. Breaking news. Breaking news. XRP rises as upcoming SEC closed door meeting could lead to settlement of the Ripple lawsuit. Now, guys, for those that don't know, the July 18th meeting on 2 days ago was canceled and rescheduled for July 25th. Now, the name of this episode will be, you guessed it, mark the date, July 25th. We have moved that hearing, or I should say that hearing, that closed door meeting to July 25th, which will be coming up here in 5 days. Do what you're going to do, but wash my shoes. Everybody in the market and everybody around knows exactly what's occurring in this meeting, what's going to come out from this meeting, right? Hence why they're correlating all the price movement with this. But again, you've got to understand, this is all going to flow at a certain pace. They wanted XRP at a certain price. And when I say they, I'm talking about your government child, your SEC. All this is, at this point planned. They knew, they known about the settlement. They probably know how much the settlement is already, guys. We're talking about announcement news. But now let's keep tapping further in. What do we have? Information now. CEO of Ripple, Brad Garling, my money house, says, I think that we are doing, what we are doing and executing on a day-by-day basis is, in fact, taking over Swift. Swift has already successfully tested XRP with over 11,000 banks. 10% of Swift systems could catapult XRP to $1,000. Now, how crazy was it just 6 months ago? You're loony. XRP is going to be $1 forever. But now, it's funny how all these price targets have now switched up and changed at the last second. Remember that your commander-in-chief of the money mafia said, conservatively, I expect $10 to $30. Now, let's just see how much more is popping out this correlate now. I said that a long ways ago. Well, how, Brandon, were you just guessing? No, I saw a smooth article that was just talking about cycles. I based the move off of when XRP was moving to $3 before this case occurred. And then you can flip that over even on the same volume of move, guys. You're talking 10 to 30 bucks. Come on. But nonetheless, let's tap in. Fair use.
I think what we're doing and executing on a day-by-day basis is, in fact, taking over Swift in that, we've now signed up, well over 100 banks. Some of the largest Swift-enabled banks in the world are now using Ripple's technology. Just last week, we saw a remittance company who's using Ripple's technology. They reduced the price per transaction to their consumers from $20 per transaction.
And guys, listen to this here, but understand why this is, and this is on Bloomberg, right, guys? We're talking on Bloomberg. This is on the news again. All on the news. Everybody, CNN, Bloomberg. Come on now. Hello? But I told y'all already, when it comes to the news, what did I say? It's too late. We talking about 5 days. Now, how much is being pushed out here? But again, there is no question, guys. Systems have to move to this. The cost, what he said, from $20 per transaction to $2.
To $2 per transaction, and they saw an 800% increase in usage overnight. That's the type of dynamic that Swift isn't able to support that we're able to address right now. I think
my money, my money, my money. Let's keep tapping in, guys. Wow, and again, this happened on 18th. Wow, XRP overtakes Bitcoin in Korea, records 2 times more trading volume. Wait a minute. It's interesting. All those Asian countries, Japan, all those countries that are said that they were going live and win 2025. Why is all this volume picking up on XRP? XRP isn't the world coin, remember? No, it was going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be the world coin. Remember, it's just an exchange. We were just going to be buying coins from there. No, it's going to be Bitcoin. No, it's not. It's XRP. Guys, my money, I don't miss. And here we are teetering in. What else do we have, guys? Because you just don't seem to get it. We're honored to share that Ripple is featured in Fortune magazine's best workplaces for millennials list. Thank you for our team of Ripplers for all that you do. So now, all over the news in Fortune magazine, guys, hello. Hey, all right, listen, hey, drop a money bag in the chat if you're getting it, please. Somebody drop a money bag in the chat if you're getting it. And again, this will bring it in even further. Guys, what we're going to bring in here is that this is Larry Fink. Now, I don't know if everybody remembers, but Larry Fink is the CEO of what company? Larry Fink is the CEO of BlackRock. BlackRock. What I said? BlackRock. Larry O is the CEO of owning half of America, 30% of America, right? This same CEO said that crypto and Bitcoin was evil. Don't touch it. Stay away. It's dangerous. It's bad. Well, now, would y'all look at what just came out? And I want y'all to take note. You got to use your brains. You can't just follow the news. But now let's see if he's taking a full 360, guys. Fair use.
Now, I know you have been a leader in willing to embrace crypto.
And who is it up here? If it's not Mr. Flip-Flop number 1 and Flip-Flop number 2. Wait a minute. You guys were just saying I was an idiot.
You have made it so that people can be in Bitcoin. We hear that you are thinking about Ethereum. These are incredible things. Now, BlackRock is not known as a gunslinger by any means.
Yeah, we aren't. But that money,
You obviously must believe that this may be as an alternative. Is this an alternative in order to be able, because of a deficit, maybe something long-term people should have?
Absolutely.
Wait a minute. No, wait a minute. No, not Bitcoin, not crypto long-term. What? Oh.
As you know, I was a skeptic.
What?
Yes. I was a proud skeptic.
Wow.
And I studied it,
CNBC.
learned about it, and I came away saying, okay, my opinion 5 years ago was wrong. Here's my opinion today. This is what I believe in today. I believe the opportunity today.
Oh, yeah, wait, let's just skip over what you just misled and lied to people. But nonetheless, it doesn't matter. Because my bag.
I believe Bitcoin is legitimate.
What?
I'm not trying to say there's not misuses like everything else, but it is a legitimate financial instrument that allows you to have maybe uncorrelated, non-correlated type of returns. I believe it is an instrument that you invest in when you're more frightened, though. It is an instrument when you believe that countries are debasing their currency.
Wait, no. Wait a minute. No. This is no. Larry, no, crypto, there's no usage for this. Remember, Larry? No. Yeah, that face right there. No, wait a minute. I want you to go back in front of the courts like you did when you said it. Don't say it on live air. I want you to go back in front of the courts. And again, guys, Bitcoin, XRP, Bitcoin, the same thing, same lane, do the same thing. But one of them actually moves faster, is way cheaper, and way more secure. You guess which one we're holding our bag in. But guys, just guys, the CEO of BlackRock. Now remember, guys, how funny is that all this FUD, everything, all the lawsuits, everything that was glooming over crypto that had you in a crypto winter, have y'all noticed how quickly all that's dissipated? As we sit here again, this arc, so y'all boys can know how close this bull rally is to taking off. If you're not getting it by your stable coin dropping off next month. But let's finish that. My bad. I'm getting
excess deficits, and some countries are. I believe we have countries where you're frightened of your everyday existence, and if you're not
everywhere, because no dollar have any value. But
opportunity to invest in something that is outside your country's control, then you can have more financial control. And so I'm a major believer that there is a role.
Wait a minute. I'm sorry. This is my last time pausing. So wait, did you just tell me that you just figured out that crypto and there's difference between utility assets, and the idea is that there's more control of the person's money who's holding it, and it's not controlled by the system? Wait, Larry, are you telling me that your big blockhead, hold on, are you telling me you just now realized that that's what the whole idea of decentralized finance is? Oh, no, I think I know what it is, Larry. You done been forced to realize that. Because guess what? Don't nobody need no American dollar no more, Larry. Okay, guys, tap in, guys. I'm holding 10 bands on it. I'm ready. I'm a V12 type of guy.
I believe you're going to see that as one of the asset classes that we all look at. I look at it as digital gold, as I said before, and I do believe there's a real need for everyone to look at it as one alternative to, I would say, the optimism that I have in the world. If you want to hedge hope, Bitcoin is not an instrument for hope unless you're hopeful you're going to make a lot of money on it. But I look at it as a vehicle in which you're expressing your financial acumen in something that you're more frightened of the world, you're more frightened of your existence. And I believe there's a great industrial use for it. And I think a lot of people
still just can't say it, huh? More frightened? Hey, brother, I'm invested in the new system of money. I'm not more frightened. I'm buying in on the rebuilding of economy. You don't invest because you're frightened, dummy. Is that what they did when the Great Depression happened? People were so frightened they kept their money in. No. People that made money invested during that fright. That's where I was on XRP at 50 cents. But hey, what color is your Bugatti? What color is your Bugatti? Tap in. Let me finish out.
I couldn't agree more. I changed my mind about it when you did. You had been my thinking. It was like, you don't believe in it, so I can't believe it. I want to thank Larry Fink for the message of optimism.
Thanks.
And also for a great quarter. Larry Fink is the co-founder, chairman, and CEO of BlackRock. I think the most important investment company in the world.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. The most important investment company in the world, guys. Now, how funny is it that we have just did a full 360 spin here in less than 4 months' time? Larry, is that ironic? You weren't misleading us to keep us out of here, were you? Because I pulled up the chart of how fractional the amount of people that know about crypto, invest in crypto, and then know about crypto, have actually have not just the term crypto, but no cryptocurrencies, and then the fractal of people in the world that actually hold crypto. How ironic. But now let's keep tapping on through. Wow. XRP has broken through the RSI resistance level, which started an explosive rally in 2017. But this upcoming bull rally will not be like the last one. The last one to be will not be like the last one, as I expect the next one to be all about utility. But again, guys, all this stuff now popping out. I have been saying this. I've been screaming this. But all the people doing again is scaling from the last run to where this run is. You can tell the move, right? This is bigger than you and me. This is bigger than you and me, okay? But again, all this is still even false. That 10 to 30 range conservatively, I'm not going above that, because at the end of the day, when this breaks $10, guys, what stops it from going to 150? And if you want to ask yourself, well, I got this, I point out Solana, Exhibit A. When that broke $5-10, it's at 160 in this same year, in 6 months' time, 5 months' time. Just prepare yourself. And again, we're coming with a video. We got this request from the family. Guys, I'm going to come with a video about talking about how, like, some ideas about offloading your money. The idea is not to just bring your money straight to your bank account. You're going to be the saddest person in the money mafia when they lock your account up and lock everything up. You might not even be able to get a cup of ice cream or something out there. They're going to lock up so many cards on you. Understand, above $9,999 to deposit, you are going to trigger the IRS. You better have done the right proper things to be bringing in certain amounts of money. If you are going to make the foolish error just bringing your money from a valuable asset to the dollar, which is not worth anything, then you're going to make sure that you want to let the right people know what's going on, have your taxes lined out. But again, how I'm going to be moving it, and which we'll break down, we're going to be branching this off into one transfers from XRP to Bitcoin. As far as when I'm cashing out, I'm going to let that sit in Bitcoin. As a move, transfer from one to one. I'm not selling. I haven't collected that money, so we're gonna hold that over there. Bitcoin is obviously going to be a stable thing, but XRP is not something where I'm like, this is just gonna be my way of collecting money and being able to have it separate from my XRP, because I'm still gonna hold XRP. Like I said, I like 10,000 coins. I'm holding through 10,000 plus, right? But again, the moves from that point are going to be into purchasing. When I bring that money online, it's going to be bringing it online to purchase a house, right? Purchase a house to rent out, et cetera, guys. And like I said, we're going to talk through. I got a whole bunch of different plans and ways and moves. But the idea is you're trying to pay the least amount of taxes. And again, there's no rush to just putting the money in the system. You're going to have to slowly bring this money in the system. But just remember, taking on debts and buying things like assets reduces your taxes, but you're also bringing that money into an asset online. So now I don't want to bring $50,000 cash into $50,000 of XRP into $50,000 of dollars. What a blow, what a waste. But now if I can bring $50,000 into $50,000 of a house, of land, now we've made that move. You're not going to be able to tax me as much, if really anything, depending on how many of I buy these, right? And then that money is still there. The value grows on that like a real tangible asset. That $50,000 is going to be $100,000 in 5 years. And I can sell that at any point. You see what I'm saying? But guys, like I said, we're going to dabble in that. Let's finish our thing out here, guys. It's getting time to turn demon time on here. Let's do it. Put it on through. Amelia, Swift versus XRP, and now you're starting to see the advertisement everywhere. Swift, 3 to 5 business days. XRP, 4 seconds. Swift is not fast enough. Guys, there's a shift of generation. There's a shift of transfer going as far as the wealth goes. Do not miss this opportunity. And I know, like I said, mass majority of our family, I see all the comments. I got my bag. I'm almost in my bag. You know, those that have not hit your bag. Remember, you are in a certain percentile of people in America, or more or less the world, that even know about it, or even the leg up to be invested. $100,000 is $100,000. I know you want $1 million and $10 million, but understand, if you get $30,000 at the end of this year, that's life-changing money. And don't pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. You can take 10 of that and put 20 of that following these moves that we gonna have in this money mafia, and I promise you're gonna be able to make that flip again. This is not the last investment, but this right here is gonna set us up. All right, let's finish it off. Ripple ambition is to be the #1 digital asset infrastructure provider for the Ripple's ambition is to be the #1 digital asset infrastructure provider for financial services by building the core components, on and off ramps, custody, compliance, and liquidity needed for enterprises to integrate blockchain into their business. Do not forget what you hold, and do not forget what is going on here. This is one of the world's largest companies, and it's just a baby birthing. Oh my God. If you could invest in Tesla at $2, would you do it? Well, all right, miss it again. Miss these opportunities that come through again. But I'm going to tell you like this. I missed one just because I wasn't old enough to know, and that was Bitcoin. I promise you, I am not missing 2. Not at 50 cents, baby. I'm 10 Jezebels deep. Because what? I'm a V12 type of guy. A double-decker yacht type of dude. A 6 stock type of guy. I'm starting to get out of hand now. The numbers starting to grow up. Guys, I'm looking at the numbers. Who am I to say I can't protect and provide for 6 beautiful women with 150 million? I beg to differ that I can't. But listen, guys, y'all hold it down. Much love to y'all. Guys, first off again, massive thing. 1,500 subscribers. Much love to the Money Mafia. Much love to each and every single one of y'all. Much love to XRP Army. Everybody that's coming in, everybody's joining. We're going to continue to bring bangers. We're going to continue to bring the real information. But understand, y'all are at the tip of the iceberg with where this channel's going and where this family's going. Lock in, tap in, because regardless, it's going to either be 1,500 people at the boat party or 30,000. It don't matter regardless. The party finna be jumping. Nonetheless, y'all hold it down. Y'all know what time it is. Oh, yeah.